Hi everyone, I want to talk to you about this week's work. We will be studying two very different leaders, that of President Obama and Jeff Bezos. I will ask you to complete the following readings, the quiz, and your outline and discussion board work. That being said, I really want to dive into this. I think some of you may have not seen that last week, but you absolutely need to do the proposal if you haven't. Please take care of that. But this week, what will happen is that you are doing the outline. And right here, I explain everything that you need on the outline. And I talk about it here. But once a week, like this week is the outline, next week will be the rough draft. And look at that rough draft. You'll need 3 to 5 pages. And at least 2 primary sources of literature. So think about discussing, at least 2 leaders and the skills that they possess, the qualities of a good leader in your field. Please look at this. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. And please listen to that video explanation of the outline. I hope you all are having a great week. I will talk to you soon. Thanks.